So I'm about to make myself some more furniture polish slash dusting polish, duster fluid things. I've been using this for over a year. It works really well. It's non-toxic, it's allergy friendly. I just thought I'd make this quick. I pre-poured everything. You only need 4 ingredients. It's super easy. I love it. I need to make myself some more because I am out. And yeah, I'll go ahead and show this to you. So all you need is grapeseed oil, white vinegar, water, and an essential oil. I'm using Thieves today. Love the smell of it. So I went ahead and pre-poured. I'm doubling my recipe. I'll have the recipe in the link below. 2 cups of water, a 1/2 cup of vinegar. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in. This is a 1/4 cup of any kind of oil. You can use fractionated coconut oil, olive oil, or grapeseed oil, does not matter. And I use about 20 to 30 drops of this. 1, 2, 3, that's about 20. Okay. And all you do, I just pour it in a glass bottle. You do have to shake it every time you use, but that's because it's natural for the last little bit, but it really, really does work really well. Like I said, I've been using it for over a year. No problems, no issues. I have used it on solid wood. I usually always, like any other furniture polish, spray my rag first and then wipe, but I have a Yamaha wood piano. I use this on that. I have a coffee station that's made out of solid wood. It was custom made. Use it on my fireplace mantle. I use it on my cherry mahogany dressers and vanity set. So you just use your discretion of what works for your wood. I am not guaranteeing that this will be the be-end all for all wood, but it works on most surfaces. I use it on my ceiling fan, the dust. It's just really great and it smells really nice. So I hope this video was helpful. Basic, 4 ingredients. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and